talking to his core team, and there you can see Hardeep Singh Puri in the front row, Amit Shah, you have Jyotiraditya Scindia, Prahlad Joshi, the Prime Minister interacting with them. These are visuals first on Times Now of the meeting that took place at the Prime Minister's residence. Nirmala Sitharaman, Nitin Gadkari, Piyush Goyal sitting there in the front row along with other Neta Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Right next to him is H.D. Kumaraswamy, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, all of those who attended the meeting. Sabyasachi, please continue.
Well, absolutely. See, visuals are coming in from the meeting that took place inside Prime Minister Narendra Modi's residence. We can see the leaders which were present out there. Now, as far as the BJP leaders who have been retained, clearly shows that the core team of the BJP have been retained. The leaders who have worked exceptionally well in their own department have been retained, and the party has shown faith in them once again. See, in this picture, everybody's body language is extremely positive. While even coming out of the PM resident, everybody had a smile in their face. This clearly indicates the strength that is within the NDA is intact, and that is what Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, that the NDA should be united, not like the India Alliance that we are seeing that they are power hungry, and just because till the Lok Sabha polls they are together. After that, they are in different they are walking different paths. And he also implemented that people who would receive certain portfolios in their departments, if some pending scheme or if some pending work is there, that needs to be completed. The 100-day action plan needs to be implemented on ground, and the people have showed faith in the NDA government that need to be returned to the people of the country. It's a historic thing that a government has been chosen for a third time straight. So clearly these were the words of Prime Minister Narendra Modi while addressing the
All right. Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We also have Mohit Bhatt joining us in the broadcast now. Visuals, inside visuals of that meeting at the Prime Minister's residence. First here on Times Now, Mohit. And Sabyasachi is telling us how the Prime Minister emphasized that the Janata has put their faith in these MPs, and it's a big responsibility that they have to fulfill.
Well, yes, in fact, a message has gone out to all the ministers who will be taking oath today in the evening. Prime Minister has clearly stated that we have to do certain tasks, we have to work for the people, and we need to focus on good governance. So these are the visuals coming inside from the Prime Minister's residence, where PM designate Narendra Modi spoke to all the MPs of the BJP who will be and the NDA who will be taking oath in the evening. So this will be the first phase of induction, and the message has gone out to every single leader who will be taking oath that you need to work for the people, you need to focus on the governance, and also that how in past 10 years the government has been working, various tasks have been accomplished. Similarly, the same vision, the same speed, same method will be implemented in this particular government also. So clearly today is the big day when at the evening PM designate Narendra Modi will be taking the oath as the Prime Minister, and with him various union ministers will be taking the oath. Many of them will be cabinet ministers, high-ranking cabinet ministers. So many of them will be the MOS. So who exactly gets
Absolutely.
what portfolio?
We don't know about the portfolios at the moment, but what we know is, Mohit, that this is Cabinet, Modi Cabinet 3.0. This is how it looks like right now. And at the moment, if you take a look at these visuals coming in, the inside visuals of the meeting, the Prime Minister, they're standing, addressing his core team, perhaps talking about what the government needs to do in the first 100 days, perhaps setting the agenda for all of them. We do know a little bit about the Prime Minister said. Take a look at the visuals coming in. You have Dharmendra Pradhan, then you have Nirmala Sitharaman over there. Right next to Nirmala Sitharaman was S. Shankar, Amit Shah, Nitin Gadkari. You have Prahlad Joshi. This is Jyotiraditya Scindia right here, and the Prime Minister addressing each one of them. The Prime Minister also has a file or a folder perhaps in his hand. We don't know what that has. Perhaps the agenda, like we are saying, for the first 100 days of the government. But here are the visuals. H.D. Kumaraswamy, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, who's now a MP. Then you have Hardeep Singh Puri, Rajnath Singh sitting there in the front row. Then you have Jayant Chaudhary, Ramdas Athavale of the RPI. You have Mr. Avneet Bittu, Arjun Ram Meghwal sitting there at the back, Shivraj Singh Chauhan as well in the visuals. All the members of Cabinet 3.0. Nitin Gadkari in the front row as well. Towards the end was Mr. Piyush Goyal, listening very carefully to what the Prime Minister has to say. And from what we have managed to access, the Prime Minister, emphasizing on how people have put their trust. The Janata has voted for them. They are their chosen representatives, elected MPs, and they have to fulfill the huge responsibility that the Janata has put on their shoulders. Inside visuals of the meeting that took place at the Prime Minister's residence. Giriraj Singh as well. Let's go across to Mohit now. Mohit, on the big screen here, we are playing out the visuals. Jayant Chaudhary, Jitin Prasada, all of them present in that meeting with the Prime Minister. And like I said, it looks like a classroom where the teacher is telling you something and all the students are listening very, very carefully.
Well, yes, in fact, we can see that all the leaders are sitting over there. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is standing. He has a mic in his hand, and he is giving out his mantra of the governance to all these leaders who are now the member of Parliament elect. And in the evening, they will be taking oath as the ministers. So the mantra is clear by PM designate Narendra Modi, and we know for a fact that how Narendra Modi has been saying this from past many days since the result has come out, that the focus will be development, the focus will be Viksit Bharat 2047, and all the schemes that have been implemented in past 10 years, they will continue. The vision will be same, the working style will be same, and more pro-reform decisions would be taken. So the Prime Minister, in these visuals, we can see that all the senior leaders of the BJP alliance parties, they are all sitting over there, and the mantra for the government for the next 5 years is being given by PM designate Narendra Modi to all those who are sitting in the gathering. And in evening, we'll see that these all at around 7:15 will take oath with PM designate Narendra Modi as the Council of Ministers, as the Cabinet Ministers, and then it will be very interesting to see that who gets which portfolio. Will we see the top 5 portfolios remaining with the same leaders, same ministers,
right,
or we will see the change? Because if you see all the leaders who were sitting
absolutely
over
Absolutely. And, if you look at the visuals from left to right, from the front row to the back row, it sends out a message of how everybody has been accommodated. That's the full picture that you get when you take a look at these inside visuals coming in from the Prime Minister's residence of the meeting that was held, which is, of course, now concluded. And the information that we're getting is 60 plus NDA Netas were in this meeting. Bhupendra Yadav also attended the meeting. 60 plus NDA Netas, that's what we're talking about. Which portfolio, which individual will get, how many MOS berths will be given, we don't know at this point of time, and who is going to get that. How much are the allies going to get, how much the BJP is going to keep with itself. The picture will be clear once the oath-taking ceremony is over and details start coming in on how the portfolios are going to be divided. Sabyasachi is also with us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, 60 plus NDA Netas attended the meeting. Can I say that all of them are part of the cabinet, or do we wait for more information and confirmation?
Well, absolutely. See, the picture that has come in, and 60 plus candidates were over there. So it definitely shows a picture for the NDA government. It shows a picture of strength, and it shows that how the profiles would be given after Prime Minister Narendra Modi takes oath today. See, some of the leaders were not present, like from the NCP, Ajit Pawar faction. None of the leaders got a place out here. But apart from him, majorly of the allies had found their place here at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's residence. So the message is clear. Like we were talking, how the BJP government would accommodate the JDU, the TDP and other allies, but it seems that that problem has been solved. One major problem that that still is there is distributing the portfolio. See, till now the parties, the major partners of the NDA, apart from BJP, if we talk about TDP and JDU, they already have their own set of demands, agendas. That needs to be addressed. Would be one of the key aspects that the NDA government needs to do. But today, while Prime Minister Narendra Modi was addressing the 60-plus ministerial candidate, he clearly said that the people of the country has entrusted them, and they need to show that trust back to the people of the country by doing work for the development, and also by making sure that the work which are pending, whichever department that they get, that needs to be done as soon as possible. Also,
Right.
the 100-day action plan needs to be implemented
Absolutely.
on ground. And he wished everyone best of luck, and he said that they need to work for the people of the country.
All right, Mohit, Sabyasachi, Akanksha, Pragya, Amit, please stay on with us. We'll keep coming back to you for the latest. For the moment, we're taking a very short break with those visuals. These are the inside visuals of that meeting that took place at the Prime Minister's residence. The Prime Minister there addressing his core team. That's how Cabinet 3.0 at the moment.